would you tell a lie on yourself? Do you see it possible where you could say that you did something that you didn't do? And not just anything, like a crime. Take a look at this. I want you to pay attention to this person. A question that's been asked by a journalist. It's Judiciary Day in Jamaica, and this man is one of the most famous journalists in Jamaica. Jamaicans will know this man as Lloyd B. Smith. He is a veteran journalist, political commentator, a past member of parliament. This is someone who is confident, who is educated, who has resources and connections, and who perhaps has always had a strong personality so that he can stand up for himself. And he has this opportunity to ask the Chief Justice of Jamaica a question, and the first thing he does is he tells a story about something personal that happened to him a long time ago. And obviously, if you get this opportunity and this is what you talk about, it means that it's something that has been bothering him, right? And this is what he says.
For as a citizen who have been a victim of the traffic court, in the sense that I see the traffic court like a Venus flytrap, because I remember the first time I went to the traffic court and I was waiting outside. It was for a speeding ticket, and I had actually taken a photograph of the speed limit sign, which clearly showed that I had not infringed the law. But when I arrived at the court, the policeman at the door said to me, "Boss, just go in and plead guilty and pay the fine and go about your business." And, you know, that's justice denied in my case.
Essentially, in pleading guilty to the traffic offense, he was confessing against himself to something that he hadn't done, and, you know, where he believes that he is innocent. That's something minor, but it's just an example of this thing that we want to talk about today, a false confession.